Okay, so, oh my god, guys. Look at my sister.
I'm watching computer.
Yes, and look at my little cutie.
And
She's so cute.
yeah, I love her. And I'm watching Welcome to Dylan Funhouse. And they're playing Dylan.
Let's see what you're watching.
Yeah. The oval thing, you should buy some merch. The oval thing like
Oh, cool. Looks really fun. And look at my little kitty. Aww. Hello.
She's kind of cute so much.
Aw, you're just so cute. You're just so cute.
Look, Shorty. I have the headphone on. Look. See?
Yeah.
You can hear something.
No, I can't. Of course. And my brother is over here holding my kitty. Super cute. And my sister is still watching, even though it's our bedtime.
I watch all my TV videos. Welcome to Dylan Funhouse. So, look sure I don't need to do it again. Also, they can do with Channel and real life scary teacher.
Yeah, that looks
Let me show
cool.
you the video. Come here. Here is it. Guys, come here. Come here. Here is it. In real life. Can you see with my hand? In real life.
So my kitty
And
is up there. I brought
And this
her
is only.
with my little brother.
Do you know I just like FGTV and wait, I want to make it. You know I just like FGTV and Welcome to Dylan Funhouse and Kids Fun TV and Ninja Kids. Like so many of those and scary stories and that's it. She loves scary stories. They keep putting more videos, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Did you remember?
Aw, you're all so cute.
Literally, yeah. Who really cares?
You aren't gonna go to bed?
Nope. When we start
Tomorrow we have online school. Come on.
Oh my God! He just went up the whole
Come on,
house.
quickly. Tomorrow I need to wake up at 8 o'clock and you need to wake up at 9 o'clock. Come on. Go to bed. Okay, just watch for 5 minutes.
Why? You're not my mom.
Okay, just watch for 5 minutes and
Nope.
then it's your bedtime.
Can you see this, Pixie?
No? Yeah, it's energy.
Yeah, so you can walk faster. And can you see this? This is the
And
energy.
my little sister and my brother
Hey,
are
get off
together.
the secret.
Lily! Oh,
Oh
you're so
my
cute.
gosh.
Oh, you're so cute. Your little Belle is so cute.
Oh my gosh, guys. Scary teacher.
She's not a baby
Ooh,
anymore.
Super scary. And she's
Oh,
super
guys, look
fast.
at
Guys.
She's a big girl. Oh my god.
Guys, can you listen to me? Scary teacher is super fast and scary. That's why her name is Scary Teacher. And the game is Scary Teacher 3D is the name. So, you know about this, guys. And do you know Rod Ice Cream?
Yeah, the
He's doing
for
this.
you.
He make us frozen.
Yeah, with his mouth.
Oh my God! Look how when she blow up. Oh my God!
That's actually so nice. That's actually
Well, you should buy some merch.
that's actually what we really
You should
do
buy some merch.
every night, and
You should buy
I
some
know,
merch.
guys, that's kind of crazy.
eating so many chocolate.
And now, like, I'm about to like brush my
I
teeth,
think I need.
and then I'm gonna go to
Nope.
bed.
Do not. When we finish this video.
Yeah, I'm gonna finish this video, and I'm gonna brush my teeth.
But not now.
Yeah, and then I am going to sleep because I'm really sick right now. And
Really?
tomorrow I have a class at 8 o'clock, so I need to wake up early. Right, again?
No.
Come on, go to sleep.
Nope. I'm not literally sleeping. I'm just gonna put another video to watch.
Okay, fine. Okay, this video is going to be ending
7.
right here.
Who cares about this?
Bye.
Wait!
What?
Not now. Look, here's FGTV. See this? Oh my God! Did you see
It's
this?
Chase's birthday.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry about that, guys. Now we're gonna end this video
Nope.
right here.
What the?
Right here.
What the?
So, bye.